Welcome to this short video on using your reading list online. This video will show you how to make the most of your reading list. Your reading list is created by the academic staff and the subject librarians to provide you with a guide to the resources you should use to support your studies. Not all modules have a reading list, but where you do, it's very important that you use it as the starting point for developing your knowledge of your subject area. To access your reading list, go to your module homepage and click on Module Reading List. This will open your reading list in a new browser. It's best to use Chrome for both your Blackboard modules and your reading lists, as the library resources work best in this particular browser. Once your list is open, you'll see the resources that are recommended for your particular subject area. If an item is marked essential, it means that this is the most important item for the module or items for the module. Otherwise, the resources suggested are background reading that you might find useful for certain elements of the module. To access an item on your reading list, click on the title, and if the item is available online, you can simply click on the Available Online button, and that will take you to that item. If you want to find other formats and editions that we have of that particular item, you can click on the button that says Format/Editions, and that will take you back into the library gateway. You'll find that your reading list is made up not only of books, but journal articles, web pages, and in some cases, policy documents and other reports also. A point to note here is that academic textbooks are not meant to be read cover to cover. You may look in the index for particular topics to look at, or you may look in the contents page to look for themes and subjects to read about. Sometimes your tutor will indicate which chapter or chapters to read that are important for this particular module also. Although you may have a reading list, you will still need to read around your subject to find your own resources. The reading list is just the start of your learning in your given subject area, but it is a good foundation for introducing you to the relevant topics for your subject, which you can then go on to investigate more in your own research. Thank you for listening.